Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send an email to multiple recipients individually. To do so, firstly, you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then on the top URL box, you may go ahead and search for gmail.com and then press enter. This will directly take you to your mail. Now, once you're here, to send email to multiple recipients individually, you'll have to first click on Compose, which is located at the left side of your screen, right at the top above the inbox option. You may click on that. Then a box-like text box opens at the right side of your screen. Here, right beside To, you may enter the mail of the people that you want to send this mail to. That can be multiple people as well. Here, I'll be entering one email. Once you enter an email, then you may just click on the suggested mail given right below after you type down the full email. Then again, you may type down another mail as well. Furthermore, if you want to send this mail to more recipients or individual, you may again type down their mail and then click on the suggestion to send this mail to other individuals as well. Once you make sure you do this, then you may just type down your subject at the bottom text box. Once you type down your subject, then you may type down your description at the bottom. Once you type all of these down, then you may just click on the send button at the bottom, highlighted in blue. Now, you may just click on the send button, and then to check if your mail has been sent to your mentioned recipients or individuals successfully or not, you can see at the bottom of your screen at the left side the notification that says message sent. You can click on the view message button next to it. Once you click on that, you will be able to view the mail that you sent. Now, right under your username or your email, you can see the person or the recipient's email that you just mentioned previously. Here you can see or check if the people that you mentioned previously or the recipients that you mentioned previously while composing this mail are mentioned here or not. This is how you can easily send mails to recipients individually. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.